Understanding the phrase, oiling the wood. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the interesting phrase, oiling the wood. This is a phrase that's not only rich in meaning but also paints a vivid picture. We'll explore its origins, meanings, and how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. Oiling the wood is a phrase that comes from a very literal action, applying oil to wood. This action is done to preserve the wood, enhance its appearance, and protect it from damage. Over time, this literal action has evolved into a metaphorical phrase. Here, we'll explore its journey from a simple task to a phrase with deeper meanings. In this section, we'll compare the literal meaning of oiling wood, the physical act of applying oil to wooden surfaces, with its metaphorical usage. The metaphorical meaning often relates to doing something that enhances or preserves the quality of something else, much like oil preserves wood. We'll look at examples to understand this better. How do we use oiling the wood in contemporary English? This part of the video will focus on practical examples and contexts where this phrase might pop up. We'll also discuss scenarios where using this phrase might not be appropriate, helping you grasp the nuances of its usage. Here, we'll explore how oiling the wood might be used in different English-speaking cultures and if there are any similar phrases in other languages. Understanding these variations can help in appreciating the phrase's universal appeal and cultural specificity. And that's a wrap on oiling the wood. We hope this video has shed light on this unique phrase and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is like wood. It needs to be nurtured and cared for. Keep practicing, and don't forget to oil your linguistic skills regularly. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.